So Mautic's email template builder is not that much powerful in compared to other email builders out there in market. So hi guys, my name is Ankit. I'm a growth marketer and marketing automation expert. So in this video, I will teach you how to create an email template on SendGrid and add that email template to Mautic, as most of the Mautic users are either solopreneurs or the marketers. To help all my marketers, fellow marketers, I thought to create this video. And don't worry, if you are not technical, just follow my steps and you are good to go. So let's begin.
Check my bling, I ride fly on my plane sky high. It's a thug's life.
So first you have to log into your SendGrid account. Once you log in, it will look like similar to this. Now on the left hand side panel you will see design library. Click on design library. So once you click on the design library, you will get an option to create email design. So you have to click on create email design, then after design editor. So once you click on the design editor, you will get an option to design name, which will be your personal use. So I will write down as a taste email. Subject line would be hi, how are you, or thanks for contacting me. So your subject line has been created. Now you have to click on build. Now you will get option to drag and drop images, text, columns, image and text. So I'm creating a demo email, so I'm just putting image here. So yes, that image. Now let me write down some text here. Docs, bold. I wanted to textile to be heading. So okay. Arial black. Font size should be 60. Uh, 48. Okay. So as you can see, my email template has been created. Let me add the unsubscribe link. Okay, so like unsubscribe link, subscribe underscore URL, align center. Okay, so my email template has been created. It just have brain training for docs, this image and unsubscribe link. Okay, if you want to add a link to this, you can add the link. You can add link for the image. That's it. So my email template has been created. To add this email template on Mautic, you have to click on advanced and export HTML. So once you export an HTML, it will look similar to this. Now you have to press Ctrl plus U at the same time and you will get a code, the email template code. So Ctrl A and copy this email template code. Go back to your Mautic, click on new template. So based on your preferences, you can create either a template email or a segment email. If you want to send a newsletter, you have to you have to create a segment email. And if you are sending this email using a campaign, so you have to click on new template email. So I'm sending this email as a newsletter, so I just click new segment email, go to code mode, go to builder. Now remove this pre-built code and copy paste your SendGrid code. That's it. So as you can see, your code has been added. close builder. Now you can add a subject line which you have mentioned, thanks for contacting me, internal name, whatever name you want to keep. So I'm just keeping it as a test email, internal test, and save and close. That's it. So now your email template has been created and added to your Mautic. So as you have see, either no list was selected or do you have access, cause this is an newsletter email, so you must have to select a contact particular segment for this kind of emails. So I just select contact form visit and save and close. So now my email template has been created on Mautic. So I have created an email on SendGrid and added to Mautic. So that's it.
So there are multiple email builders out there in the market, such as BeFree, Stripo, Mailchimp, Topol, etc. So however, I recommend you to use SendGrid, as SendGrid is easy and free, and top of that, you can create your account in a minute. So if you really find this video helpful, then please like this video, and if you have any doubt or looking for help regarding Mautic, then please ask me in the comment section or contact me through my website ankitshah.live. Also, I try to solve all the common Mautic related queries on my blogs. So if you have time, you can also visit that and check out my blogs. Finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, as I will be sharing more videos on marketing automation and growth hacking. So thank you very much.